Welcome back to the channel. I want to say a huge thank you for sticking with me. I know I haven't posted a video in quite a long time, but I am so happy to finally be back and introduce AdmissionsPedia to everyone who is currently in the admissions process. I've spent a lot of time developing this site to make the process clearer and more accessible for all of you. Today, I'm demoing the USA and Canada College Predictor page. This is your compass to the right university, offering free AI-powered tools whether you are applying from the US, Canada, or beyond. As you can see, you can easily enter your academic profile. You can select your grading system, enter your GPA, and include standardized test scores like the SAT or ACT. You can even specify your intended major, like engineering, and set your location preferences and budget to find the perfect match. Once you enter your details, our AI processes your profile against over 500 universities. It provides a deep dive AI admissions analysis with personalized feedback on your strengths and actionable improvements. You'll get your results categorized into reach, target, and safety schools, complete with live data on admit rates and tuition. Here you see the response from the tool with profile analysis and your initial college list categorized into reach, target, and safety schools. For more information on what is reach, target, and safety, read through the page. A quick tour of the other tools available. Under the Tools menu, you'll find our GPA calculator and admission roadmaps. We also have a test prep section with free resources for the digital SAT, GRE, and more, as well as a blog with expert guidance on topics like establishing residency and scholarships. I built AdmissionsPedia to help you reach your dream school. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I have many more tutorials and guides planned, and I'm excited to be sharing content with you all again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.